Alright, today we are going to be repairing two sprinkler breaks, one break on the lateral line and one break on the main line. As you can see, we've got a broken lateral on top here, and also the main line broke underneath. So we're just going to make the repair to both of those, and I'm going to show you the specifics. Alright, first we're going to cut this lateral line out of the way to get to the main line, and I'll show you how to do that. We're going to make the repair with a slip fix. Ideally, it needs to be extended all the way out when the repair is made. But first, we're going to repair the main line since it's lower than everything else. But I'll have to cut out the lateral line to access it. So we just cut out the repair we're going to make second on the lateral line. I just extended the slip fix all the way out and cut out my section of the pipe that I'm going to be replacing. Now we're going to start on the main line here since we have space for it. Same thing, slip fix needs to be extended all the way. We've got a female end on one end and a male end on the other. So you're going to need a straight coupler to make the repair. Ultimately, it'll go like this, with it continuing to the PVC pipe, and here it'll continue to the PVC pipe. So first we'll just glue on our coupler here. Alright, so we cut out the damaged section of the pipe, and it matches the fully extended length of the slip fix. And now we're going to glue the coupler on first. This is PVC primer. The idea of it is to soften the pipe before the glue comes on it. So we'll prime one side before we glue it. We'll prime the coupler. And then we'll apply the glue to the coupler and the pipe. Slide the coupler on and give it a quarter turn. That ensures that all the cement is securely around the whole PVC pipe, and make sure to push the coupler directly and fully onto the PVC pipe to get the best connection. Now we're going to glue up the slip fix itself. Once again, prime everything. A good rule of thumb for priming is it's ready when you primed off all the lettering on the PVC pipe. That's kind of a good rule of thumb to know how much primer you've got. So we'll glue both sides. Glue that, give it a quarter turn. And so that's two of the three glues we're going to make on this. The final one is just going to be connect this female end to the PVC end. So once again, we'll prime everything up. And apply the cement. Extend the slip fix and give it a quarter turn. It's probably a good idea to hold all your fittings for about 30 seconds till the glue is set up to where it won't slip off. And that's the repair on the main line itself. Next up, we're going to do the lateral just in the same fashion. I'm going to put my bigger end down here so it doesn't interfere with the repair I just made on the main line. Do the same thing. Make sure you've removed the section of the pipe that makes it so the slip fix is once again fully extended. We're going to prime it. Apply the cement, 1/4 turn. Prime the male end of the slip fix and the coupler. Apply the cement, 1/4 turn of the pipe. And then we'll do the last gluing, which once again is the female end of the slip fix onto the PVC. Extend it, 1/4 turn. And you've just made the repair on a lateral line and a main line. So once again, we use 2 slip fixes. Good rule of thumb is to prime till the letters of the PVC come off. Make sure that when you're gluing into a fitting that you've got a nice square cut on the PVC. And make sure this is just fully extended into any coupling you ever glue.